How to always show the Google Chrome bookmarks bar. So for that you have to watch this video till the end and dive into the process. First of all, you have to open up your Google Chrome on your iPhone. So after launching the Google Chrome on your iPhone, you have to tap on the three vertical dots which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are here, you have to select the bookmark option. So this will sort your bookmarks in a list where you can go and tap quickly to navigate here. So here you can see that. So if you like to easy access to the specific website, you can add bookmarks to your home screen. So here you can see your bookmarks on your Chrome like this. And you can go for your other bookmarks too. Here you can see that. So with the help of this video, you will know about how you can get your bookmarks bar. I hope this video will be helpful for you. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.